because that is what we do. Why would you wear it for 100 hours? Sucked all the way in. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Hayden. It's Monday, therefore we are getting back to our roots. We're diving into some skincare and I'm gonna get straight into it. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for the product out of my own money. Today's video is all about our first impressions, trying out the product. What that is, I've never actually heard of this brand before. We have the Madagascar Centella Hyalu-Cica Moisture Cream from the brand Skin1004. I picked this up from my local pharmacy, chemist, whatever it is that you call it in your country, and I paid $14.50 for this. So it's not going to break your bank. For that money, you will get 75 mils or 2.53 fluid ounces of product. It says that this is a brightening and anti-wrinkle functional cosmetic that is used daily for moisturizing and hydration boost to your skin. Now, there's not a lot of information on the back of here. There's an extensive ingredient list. So we're gonna go to the website because that is what we do. Directly from the website, you can see the product. The Hyalu-Cica line is a collection of moisturizing skincare products with Skin1004 signature Hyalu-Cica formula, the golden ratio of hyaluronic acid and cica. Moisturizing is essential to healthy skin, and sometimes irritated and inflamed skin can be caused by a lack of moisture. Hyalu-Cica products will add a burst of hydration and boost of calming to your skin with non-sticky and breathable finish. We will test that. It is important to note that this product is PETA vegan and cruelty-free, EWG green grade, and has no artificial fragrance. This lightweight cream with 5 hyaluronic acids and a hydrolyzed collagen provides deep hydration that lasts up to 100 hours. I don't know who's testing those claims. That seems a little up there. Why would you wear it for 100 hours? Product benefits: moisturizing, calming for skin types sensitive, normal, and dry. Key ingredients: Centella extract, hyaluronic acid, hydrolyzed collagen. This highly moisturizing cream retains deep moisturization for up to 100 hours, as we mentioned before. Low molecular phytocollagen, plant-based collagen, allows easy absorption with hydration and skin elasticity. 5 layers of hyaluronic acid, providing long-lasting moisturization. And then the Hyalu-Cica formula calms and moisturizes dry and sensitive skin. How to use: apply appropriate amount on face and pat gently with both palms for absorption. Use it as a last step of skincare routine. Then it's got a bunch of recommended with a lot of their stuff. It has a 4.3 in rating reviews. Okay, well, let's have a go. But before we do it, I have another video that I'm going to be filming directly after this, and that's going to be skincare as well. We're going to test it on my very dry hands to see if there's any kind of instant difference between the two. This is my right, this is my left. We'll come on in, we'll have a look. Now you can see, hopefully when the camera focuses, my hands are quite dry from washing them a lot. And you can hear they're a little rough. We're going to put it on the right hand and see if we notice any differences. I like the packaging. It's got your typical skincare matte cardboard kind of a vibe going. It's a lot bigger than what I anticipated. That's quite substantial. I like that it comes with a squeezy and a sealable, and it looks like that there is some foil on the inside, which means it's super fresh, hasn't been touched. Right here, I almost just put it on my left hand. You can see it's quite thick. There is absolutely no fragrance whatsoever, so they were not lying with that. As you work it in, it is kind of balmy, and it does seem to be sinking directly in straight away. The website informed us it was not going to leave a sticky residue, so we will let that dry down and see if it's true.
A few minutes later.
Now that it's settled into my hand, it does feel super lightweight. I can tell that there's something there. There is the subtlest of fragrances. It's almost like a very, very subtle hint of vanilla and honey, but it's barely there. Now that it's dried down, it didn't take long at all. It was maybe 30 seconds and it was sucked all the way in because the skin on my hands were quite dry. It's incredibly soft. You can hear the difference. My left hand does not have moisturizer on it. That sounds a lot more rough, a bit muted. I can visibly see a difference. This one, you can see, has the moisturizer on it versus this one. It looks a lot drier, especially around the knuckles. I'm usually not a fan of thick moisturizer, and I know we haven't put it on our face as yet. Like I said, I have another video that should film directly after this, so I don't want to mess up the results of that video. As it stands, I like the way it sits on my skin. $14.50. It's a bit of a steal, in my opinion. And for the money that you pay and the amount of product you get, I mean, look at brands such as Skin1004, Lorac, all of those. Usually you get a lot less product for how much you spend, which is quite up there in my opinion. I quite like the way it feels on my hand, so much so that we will give this a whirl daily on our face and I will report back. I will link everything down below if you want to check it out for yourself. We know the drill. If you do check it out, let me know your experience. Is it the same? Is it different? I'm always keen to know. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do all of the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.